Assalamualaikum and good morning. Today our group will present about IoT watering system, the automatic plant watering system. Our group is number 7 and our group member have 4 members. The first is Muhammad Zubair bin Ahmad Lahab. Second is myself, Muhammad Yazid bin Makzain. Third is Muhammad Syaraf bin Ismail. Fourth is Muhammad Zahakimi bin Muhammad Arifin. Now we're gonna go to the introduction that we present by Zam Hakimi.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Hakimi, and in this video I will show about our project, which is my part is introduction. The project is to mainly solve the problems found in daily struggles through the application of electronic and software computation to creating new useful products. In particular, the development of the automatic plant watering system using Arduino software and hardware. The objectives are intended for students to acquire skill and knowledge in a variety of contexts. For instance, the analytical skill required using technology to solve engineering design problems, and also the entrepreneurial skill and attributes being learned in the fabrication of a product. Next, objective. First is monitor the moisture content of the soil using the soil moisture sensor. Second, turn the motor on when the soil moisture falls below a certain reference value and if there is enough water in the tank. Last, display the status of the soil and the tank using a 60x2 LCD. Next, component. We using the component Arduino Uno GSM module, transistor BC5472, connecting wire 60x2 LCD, optional, power supply 12 volt 1 ampere, relay 12 volt, water cooler pump, soil moisture sensor, resistor, variable resistor, terminal connector, voltage regulator ICLM 317. That's all from me. I pass to the next presenter, which is Zubair.
Okay, thank you. Firstly, is working. In this plant watering system, soil moisture sensor checks the moisture level in the soil, and if the moisture level is low, then the Arduino switches on a water pump to provide the water to the plant. Water pump gets automatically off when system finds enough moisture in the soil. Okay, working of this automatic plant irrigation system is quite simple. First of all, it is completely automated system and there is no need of manpower to control the system. Arduino is used for controlling the whole process, and GSM module is used for sending alert message to user on his cell phone. Okay, this is flowchart. Firstly, we start with to check the moisture and go through the moisture level. If the moisture level is low, start the irrigation. If no, we will stop. Then start the irrigation. If yes, initialize the pump, send the report to user and stop. Okay.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Sharaf. So I will continue the next step for working. If moisture is present in soil, then transistor Q2 remains in triggered on state Arduino pin D7 remains low. When Arduino reaches low signal at D7, then it sends SMS to users about soil. Moisturized normal, motor will turn off, and water pump remain in off state. Now, if there is no moisture in soil, then transistor Q2 become off and pin D7 become high. Then Arduino reads the pin D7 and turns on the water motor and also send message to user. Motor will automatically turn off when there is sufficient moisture in the soil. This is the block diagram for this project, and the circuit diagram for this project. Next, this is Arduino that used for this project. Arduino is an open source platform used for building electronics projects. Arduino consists of both a physical, programmable circuit board and a piece of software or IDE that runs on your computer, used to write and upload computer code to the physical board. In order to load the new code onto the board, we can simply use a USB cable. Additionally, the Arduino IDE uses a simplified version of C++. Next, I will pass to the next.
Thank you, Muhammad Sharaf. My name is Muhammad Yazid. Now I'm gonna talk about soil moisture sensor. Soil moisture sensor is a simple breakup for measuring the moisture in soil and similar material. The soil moisture sensor is pretty straightforward to use. The two large exposed pads function as progress for the sensor, together acting as a variable resistor. The more water that is in the soil means the better the conductivity between the pads will be, and will result in a lower resistance and a higher seek out. Now we go to the GSM module and voltage regulator. So the SIMS 800 is a complete quartz band GSM or GPRS module which can be embedded easily by anyone. GSM module is used for sending SMS to users. Here we have used the SIM 800 GSM module, which give and take TTL logics directly. And N370 voltage regulator is used to power the SIM 800 GSM module. And 370 is very sensitive to voltage rating. Its operating voltage rating is 3.8 volts to 4.2 volts. So we go to the application. It's used to irrigation in the field, irrigation in the gardens, park and cottage. Third is efficient for paddy, rice field and eat. The last is for application for pisciculture. Now we go to the advantage. The first is it have high sensitive. It's really highly sensitive, low cost and reliable. The second is work according to the soil conditions. The third advantage is complete elimination of manpower, and it can handle heavy loads. The last part is automatically fertilize crop, fertilize plus irrigates. That's all from us from Group 7. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.